Here we have created the room overlay and we have simulated the data using random values of the light and the fan and giving the status of the fan and the light. We also have simulated a single node in the Wokwi platform. So here the relay module will be used for the live current, and these three LEDs representing the light and these two LEDs representing the fans. And we have simulated the current consumption using a potentiometer and switch for manual overrides. Let me just stop the simulation first and make the devices offline, and we will start a single node simulation from here. Our simulation is stopped now and we can see that all the devices are offline. Now let's start the simulation. We have the node ID and we have the node API key here, and our device is connected. Now we can see the room 1 is online. So if we start the LED 1, we can come here and see that our LED 1 is lit. We can simulate the current flow, current consumption, and here it's saying offline because the current was 0, and now it will go online again. So it will go online again, and we can see it's receiving 30 watts of current. Our real life design should look like this. We will use the ASPs and the relays. Here are the switch connections, and for reading the current values, we will use the ASC712 current meter, and it can sense the current consumption and give us the reading, and we can send that data through our telemetry to our website.
That's our landing page. You have to log in to access your dashboard. So you can see already alert is showing because office time is already over. You can see the live total load, which room is consuming how many watts. Then we have a use history. You can see the exact use history of the time. Then you can download as a CSV of the bill. Like you have to give me the unit price. Then we can see the which room is consuming how much current. You can turn the light on off from here. You can see the active alert. We have an innovative feature like a chatbot where you can do a voice command like, wait, hello, what is the current status of my office?
The current status of your office is as follows. The drawing room has 1 light on and 2 fans on.
Okay,
The
that's
workroom 1 has
front
1
side.
fan on and all.
We also have a all off button. If you press this, everything that was running, you can turn it off from the dashboard. You can see the bot is already running. The office time is over, so it's showing us the alert. Then we will run the status command. Okay, now I need to run the room command. Then you can see the users command by doing H. Okay, and we also implemented extra feature like I can chat with the chatbot like a normal AI chatbot, like which room was the most current. So it will give me the correct answer. So that is our system diagram. First data source, the user's Discord comments and the ESP32 telemetry sending live words and status. Then both feed into the fast API backend. This is the single source of truth. It handles the REST API, state management, SQLite database. Then from the backend, data goes to the two adapters, the AI LLM adapter, which humanizes the response for Discord, and the WebSocket server, which pushes live update to the dashboard. And finally, Discord gets the human friendly message, and the web dashboard gets the UI update. User can also click to run device turn off command to back to the backend. So one backend, two interface in real time.